Oh, oh. Oh. Dude, I can't see right now. Go! Please don't jump me. Oh! 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 God damn it!
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. This weekend, me and Tyler made it out to Cedar Springs for their annual zombie wave. I volunteered to be a starting zombie because it seemed like fun, and honestly because it was free to play, and I'm broke. And Tyler was a survivor, so a lot of the gameplay, as in all of it, that you'll be seeing today is from his perspective. That's all for the intro. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel so I can do more stuff like this.
Phenomenal. I'm not the death whistle. I'm about to beat these dudes up.
Hey, keep down the fucking rope. Push up.
Let's go. Let's go.
Grab the item. Let's go.
Hey, we're getting some contracting here. We got a shield gun. Reloading.
All right, we're good. Let's move. Hey, come on. Hey, clean bunker.
Get him up.
Can I revive him?
Get him up. Get him up.
Come on.
I got you.
Bunker's clear.
Hey,
Bunker's clear.
Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna kill him.
So a little bit of context here. I was hiding in the bushes off to the left of the screen, and when a zombie gets shot in the head, they're allowed to go into rage mode, which means you cannot kill them or shoot them for 10 seconds straight. If you hit them once, the 10 seconds resets and they're invincible.
Somebody shoot him in the head. Someone did.
I don't know. I just heard a bunch of screaming.
Yeah. Oh my god! I thought he was a runner, so I was really dead. I'm kind of nervous. Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Ooh, Pontiac Pharaoh. What's the reload time? Did I just get hit? I did, of course. No, please! Please! You missed, bitch! I'm done with Airsoft, bro. I'm f***ing done with this. My knee, bro! My fucking knee! She's right around me.
It's time to nut up a shit.
Watch our asses. Man, I'm gonna die and I know it. I salute to you.
3, 3.
Shot a zombie.
Go, 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 go! Please don't stop skating.
God damn it! Made it.
You 3? I'm 3.
Okay. 3. We gotta get our flag, boys.
I want to be honest with you. You got 10 seconds.
3. You guys 3.
I'll take it back.
Okay. 3.
That was crazy, man.
3.
Oh, where's my grenade? The board's out now.
Watch out, they're coming through. Zombie with bow.
Whoa! 3, stick together. Where are we going?
3s.
The zombie with a bow. That was the new one.
They're coming. Holy shit, dude.
What's up? We're in there, guys. Come on.
Did we get our flag?
Nope.
Fuck.
Over there. We might be in circle around the village again. We gotta get that village. Push him to village. Shoot him. Shoot. Just melee shooting up that way.
Cover me, I'm reloading. Shit.
Push forward. Go! You don't really have a second. Wait, the American flag.
Zombie's on. Is the flag in there? Hey, are you 3? Oh!
Welcome there, zombie brother. Come on, there's extra cookies. It's really great.
Night is beginning to fall on the survivors. The zombies gain an extra hit point and unlimited sprint. Things are about to get difficult.
Oh, look at this, there's more village. Watch out! They're all up there.
Where?
Village area, village side.
Okay. Where's that tower?
That's one.
Okay.
Cornelio!
Right here.
One right there. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one.
I got a dead flashlight.
Mine is ass. That is all my flashlight is. Bro, this is scary as fuck.
They're coming.
One. My man, you got separated.
I don't got separated, bro.
Oh shit. Contact.
Watch the bunker behind you. Got him?
Yeah.
Clear bunker.
We're about to see.
Clear.
Yes, 3s.
$12 o'clock in the village in the pharmacy building. Watch your back.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Dude, I can't see shit right now.
And it's down there. Can you like warn people when you're down? Are you allowed to warn people when you're down?
Oh!
Oh my god, dude, I am so sorry.
Am I dead like a zombie now?
We need to get the fuck out of here, let's go!
Well, that's all for the video. I had a lot of fun at this event and I hope Cedar does more of these in the future. As always, if you like the video, like and subscribe so I can make more stuff like this.